The first time I heard about the project was actually on TV with the Prime Minister doing the announcement. And I had a message saying, "Alice, can you start in 10 minutes time on the ventilator challenge as our logistics lead?" From that point onwards, it was a bit of a baptism by fire, as I was thrown in from 9 o'clock and just had to make stuff happen from there. So one of the major challenges that I had during my time on the project was the sheer perfect storm of a logistics challenge coming out of Asia, specifically China. So we had pent-up demand from when they were locked down earlier on in the year. We had increased demand from the West, for example, our ventilator parts. And then we had reduced aircraft capability and capacity due to passenger planes just not flying. So trying to sort a problem and jump the queue and get our parts on an aircraft, which is very limited on space, was a real challenge. So during the ventilator build, we moved parts from 21 countries across 5 continents over to the UK and Sweden, where the ventilators were being manufactured. These included the United States, China, India, and we also had to get parts into Israel. We rely on the logistics carriers. They are experts in what they do. But my role was, coordinating them and pushing them and getting them to do more and go and think outside the box to realise how important these parts were. The biggest learning and takeaway I've had from this project is that if we all work together, so PA, the cabinet office, the ventilator manufacturers, the logistics providers, if we all work together towards a common goal, we can achieve a hell of a lot, and we have done and we continue to do, and that is really amazing. This was one of the most difficult logistics and supply chain problems the country has faced in a very, very long time, and PA were perfectly placed. The sheer amount of ingenuity, hard work, expertise across a breadth of skills, and the ability to adapt and develop and change, I really don't think anybody else could have come near PA on this project.